Audio Jungle.
This year has come to an end and we all are ready to welcome the new year. We all are preparing for New Year Eve's party and some of us have already started listing down all the New Year resolutions. But did you know that this is not only the New Year celebrated in India? Before the arrival of British, traditionally India used to celebrate New Year in the month of March and April. Thanks to the cultural diversity of India, the masses of country celebrates the New Year followed by both solar and lunar calendar system. Hindu calendar, which is based on the movement of moon, has the maximum number of New Years, while the other religious New Years are like Islamic New Year. Every region has a unique culture and traditions of celebrating New Year. Majorly, New Year is celebrated at the time of harvesting crops. Today, let's learn about the beauty of India and the major New Year celebrations from different parts of the country. Let's start from Baisakhi, which is celebrated in Punjab. Baisakhi is the biggest harvest festival celebrated across entire North India. Baisakhi holds a special place in the land of five rivers, Punjab. Commemorating the first day of Baishakh month, the Sikh community of Punjab also celebrates this day as the formation of Sikh Kailasa. It is celebrated mainly at the birthplace of Khalsa and the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Second, if we conclude, it's Jud Sital, which is celebrated in Bihar and Jharkhand. It's also known as Maithili New Year. It is celebrated by the Maithilis in Bihar, Jharkhand and even in Nepal. Maithili New Year is usually celebrated on the 14th of April according to the Gregorian calendar. Third, it comes to Bohag Bihu, which is celebrated in northeastern states, also known as Rangali Bihu. Bohag Bihu also falls on the day of Baishakhi and Puthandu in Assam, celebrating the New Year harvest with lots of sweets shared among the family and friends, with the exchange of more gifts. Bohag Bihu is celebrated for 3 days straight with many different traditions. Bihu dance is a form of celebration for the people. Fourth, it comes to Gudi Padwa, which is celebrated in Maharashtra. Gudi Padwa is the first day of Chaitra month and marked as the New Year in Maharashtra. A Gudi is a beautiful arrangement of silk sari or cloth tied to a stick with a lota on the top and decorated with sweets and garlands made of neem and mango. The day symbolizes the victory of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj over his enemies and Salivan's victory over the Sakas. Point number 5 comes to Ugadi, which is celebrated in Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Ugadi or Yugadi is the New Year celebrations of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. It is observed in these regions on the first day of Hindu lunisolar calendar month of Chaitra. Traditional sweets and panchadi, that is the sweet syrup made with raw mangoes and neem leaves, are served with the Ugadi meal. Ugadi is the festival of new beginnings, so people buy new clothes and eat lots of good food with family and friends. Next comes to Jamshedi Navroz. Navroz is the Iranian New Year, which is celebrated by many ethno-linguistic groups of all over the world. In India, on the next day of Pateti, Parsis celebrated Navroz. Next, seventh comes to Vishu, Kerala. Vishu festival marks the beginning of harvest in the bountiful land of Kerala. It is the festival full of lights and fireworks. The day starts with an arranging harvest fruits, vegetables and seasonal flowers in the front of a mirror. This arrangement is called Vishu Kani. On this day, devotees also visit Sabrimala Ayyappan temple or Guruvayapur Krishna temple for prayers. Next comes to Islamic New Year. The Islamic New Year starts on the first day of Muharram, which is the first month of lunar Hijri calendar that is followed by Islam. The day also marks the migration of Prophet Muhammad from Mecca to Medina in 622 AD. The New Year is celebrated with sharing meals and prayers with the family. The last but not the least, that is Pohila Boishakh in the West Bengal. Another state that celebrates a different New Year is West Bengal. The Pohila or Poila Boishakh is the first day of Baishakh, which is Bengali New Year. You will witness cultural celebrations all over the state, with Bengalis going on crazy shopping spree and musical shows. Santiniketan is well known for its Novoborsho festivals, that is the New Year festivals. Now, as the New Year is around the corner, tell us what are your New Year plans and resolutions in the comment section below. So thank you everyone and wishing you all a very happy New Year.